Welcome to Unit 4.4. In this unit, we're going to learn how to use formulas or calculated fields in pivot tables. So let's start our pivot table. Insert, pivot table, highlight on the columns, new worksheet, and OK. Remember to change into our show in tabular. In this particular example, I'm just going to look at the annual package by their office ID and perhaps their racing column. I don't want it to be count, so I'm going to click there, value field settings, and change to sum. Let's turn off our blanks. Now, what if I wanted to look at these annual packages with a 10% increase? What would the value be then? A lot of people don't know you can do this in pivot tables and actually run the formula down the side of the pivot table, but you can do it in pivot tables. So let's go up to pivot table tools up here, and you have an option here that says field items and sets. Let's click there and choose calculated field. I'm going to name my field 10% increase, and my formula is going to be my annual package, insert field, times. Now I could just type 0.10 or 10% in here, but that's only going to give me the 10% value. It's not going to add it to the annual package. So to get round that, you need to put 1.10. Click on add. It's now added it as a field, and click on OK. Of course, now we've got two different things we're calculating, and remember, it always puts the values option at the top in columns, and like I said in a previous exercise, it always looks better in rows, so I'm going to drag it over there. So this could be year 2016, and this could be year 2017 with the increase. Let's fix the spelling. And we need to comma our numbers as well. So in this particular office ID, in this particular race, it was 4250, and it's now 4675 with the 10% increase. I may even want another one to work out the difference between the two in value, for example. So let's go back again to analyze, back to field items and sets, back to calculated field. This one would be the variance. And so we're going to take our 10% increase, insert field, minus our annual package, insert field. So it's going to work out the variance there, and add, and OK. And let's put the word difference there. And perhaps I even want to, so the difference there would be 425,000, and I may want to make that a different color. It's not exactly a total, so I can't go like I did previously, but I could do that on the word difference, get that little black arrow, and I could shade it. And so we can see the difference there. And so that's how you use calculated items in Excel pivot tables.